today's topic is kinetic energy, right? So we have to state as well as derive the kinetic energy. So initially, that what do you mean by energy, right? So energy, it is defined as the capacity to do work, right? And energy is a scalar quantity, right? We can't determine any direction with the magnitude of the energy, and its formula is also, we know that dimension formula m1 L2 T minus 2, right? SI unit is joule and CGS unit is these are the some basic points which we already studied, right? So one of the most important type is of energy is kinetic energy. So what do you mean by the kinetic energy? Let us illustrate with the example and then comes to the definition. So for example, a bullet fired on a log of wood can make a hole in it. So here the bullet possesses kinetic energy. Okay, one more example, windmills, right? Windmills, they are working on the kinetic energy of the air, right? And water mills, they are working on the kinetic energy of the water, right? A nail is driven into a wooden block on account of kinetic energy, right? Of the hammer striking the nail. So these are the examples of the kinetic energy. So what happened in these examples, that there is a energy which is possessed by the body but by the virtue of its motion, right? So kinetic energy is what? It is the energy possessed by the body, by virtue of its motion. Clear? जो बॉडी में मोशन की वजह से जो एनर्जी क्रिएट होगा उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? उसे हम कहते हैं काइनेटिक एनर्जी. So the next is expression for the kinetic energy. We are going to derive the formula for the kinetic energy, right? तो हम suppose करेंगे that we have a body, we have this block, right? And it is placed horizontally on the table, right? And suppose there is some mass of this body. Let us consider m is the mass of the body, right? F is the force applied on the body, applied force on body. A acceleration produced in the body. Obviously when we are applying some force, there is a change in velocity and hence acceleration creates in the body. And V with the velocity acquired by the body in moving through a distance S. When we displace our body, right? So with the help of velocity क्या होगी? उसकी मदद से क्या हो जाएगा? डिस्प्लेस हो जाएगी आपकी बॉडी, यहाँ में डिस्प्लेस हो जाएगी. हम क्या करेंगे? हमारे पास पहले ये ब्लॉक है, एक बॉडी है, हॉरिजॉन्टल प्लेस है. हम क्या करते हैं? इस पर फोर्स लगाते हैं. इस पर फोर्स लगाते हैं. तो मैंने फोर्स लगाया इस राइट साइड, ठीक है. तो व्हाट हैपन? दिस बॉडी इज गोइंग टू बी डिस्प्लेस टुवर्ड्स द राइट साइड, राइट, with some velocity v, right? And when we apply some force on this, obviously it moves some distance, that is s, right? So we know the three equations, which v equal to u plus at, three equations of motion, s equal to ut plus half at square, and the one is v square minus u square equal to 2s. Now you have to use your mind that which equation is going to be used. Here is using v equal to u plus at. We have v, we have u, right? We have a also. Okay, with respect to the time it is moving, but यहाँ पे distance भी एक factor है, so distance यहाँ पे नहीं है. So the desirable equation we use is the third equation. Hence we know v square minus u square equals to twice as, right? But its initial velocity is 0, right? Because we initially हम क्या कर रहे हैं? हम बॉडी को मूव करवा रहे हैं, तो इनिशियली तो उसकी वेलोसिटी 0 है. देन फाइनल वेलोसिटी होगा इसके पास कुछ, तो हम क्या करते हैं? इनिशियल वेलोसिटी को 0 मान लेते हैं. एंड वी पुट दिस इनटू द above equation. So we get v square equals to twice as, or a equals to v square upon 2s, right? This equation. Now we have to calculate work done on the body. How much the body is going to work. So work done on the body. So what is the formula of work done? As I told you, force into distance. Force into distance. मैम बट यहाँ पे तो फोर्स का वैल्यू नहीं है हमारे पास. कोई बात नहीं, डोंट वरी. F equal to ma we know. So W equals to ma into s. We know the value of a here. Just put over there. Right? So what is it? Square root 2. Right? So this work done on the body is a measure of the kinetic energy of the body, and hence it can be written as right. So this is all about the kinetic energy, its statement, and this is its derivation, right? So thank you.